In this video, I want to show you guys how to use Tradingview to find meme coins that are breaking out like right now, like right this hour, like immediately. And these happen all day long. I'm going to show you the best settings to screen for them. And I'm also using Blowfin. So Blowfin is just a platform. It's a decentralized meme coin platform, and you can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything, pretty much anything coin related. So I'm using these two combinations right here. Blowfin is good to trade with. That's for the execution part of it. But the thing is, you cannot find breakouts like this. Like, look at this one right here that I just found. Look at this breakout. I'm going to show you guys right where the entry is. The entry for me is right there. And I just write it up, and I'm probably getting out right there. Okay, not going to talk too much about strategy, but this is the breakout right here. You cannot find these just using any Blowfin or average platform. You need a screener that's finding things that's breaking out in the moment. And Tradingview happens to have a free screener. So it's down here. It says Crypto Peers Screener. So we're just going to click on that, and I'm going to show you guys the exact settings that I use to find these breakouts. So once we clicked on Crypto Peers Screener, we're just going to come over here to where it says filters, and you guys can see I only have 3 filters set. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on these filters and check them out. So these are the only 3 filters I have. So symbol type, I have mine set to futures and perpetual. The reason is because with futures, I don't know if you guys know, but you can trade with leverage on futures. So let's say you only have maybe $200. You can go up to, I think, 50x. I like to do 20 to 40, but you could do up to 50x on Blowfin if you're trading futures. So that's 200 times 50, which is a lot of money that you could be trading with. So that's why I love to trade the futures. And again, exchange is Blowfin. I'm going to talk about Blowfin in another video and why they're so awesome. And this is the percent change. So I'm looking at things that are breaking out on the 1 hour time frame. I like to see a huge bar on the 1 hour, and I'll look inside that 1 hour on the 5 minute, and I'll trade the 5 minute inside of that 1 hour. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about on the chart in a second. I didn't want to talk too much about strategy in this video, but I'm basically looking for anything that's breaking out above 5%, because 5% is a lot when it comes to like these coins. Like if Bitcoin moves 5%, it's like, wow, that's a big deal. So now let's just click on any one of these and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let's just click on a new one like this and open that chart. You see what I mean? Look at it breaking out on the 5 minute. When I first open my chart, so I like to see it on the 1 hour just to kind of see how things are. And as far as a strategy go, I'll just draw a line right here to say, hey, that's resistance up there. And I'll quickly start looking for support. And I don't really see any significant areas of support. I could maybe right here would be support. Because, you know, you want to buy close to support, sell at resistance, something like buy right here, sell up there. You need some sort of strategy. So we see that this is a nice bar compared to its previous bar. So this is a breakout. You see it? Look at this 1 hour bar in comparison to these. Huge bar. So what we do is we might be late on this one because I'm just making an example video. What you want to do is just click in on that 5 minute right there. And your entry, you see how we have a head right here, a head right here. We're in a downtrend. Downtrend is right there. And all of a sudden, downtrend is over right there. Downtrend is done. We're now in an uptrend. You want to get in as close to this area as possible. So if I were trading this one, I would try to get in somewhere right around here. As soon as I see this big bar right here, I'll just wait to see if it breaks over a little bit. As soon as it does, I'll get in. I'll put my stop loss right here, and I'll just ride it all the way up. So if I'm risking $200 on this trade, I'd have been up $600 on this trade. Do you see what I mean? These settings are super awesome. Let me see if I could just click in on another one here. Click back on this. It found some other stuff. Now, bear in mind, not everything we click on is good. You need to click. Well, I think we clicked on that one already. I'm just going to click on, I don't think we clicked on this. So I'm going to click on it. It's up 6% right now. So clicked on that and wow, 1 hour looks pretty good. Look at this. We are definitely late. I can tell you that much. With these settings that I'm showing you, you'd have caught this first bar right here. you would have caught it. But remember, we're not trying to trade the 1 hour. We're scanning on the 1 hour and we're going in. We're sniping on that 5 minute. So let's click on this 5 minute right here. And the breakout happened somewhere in this area. Remember, we are late. So we would have caught it somewhere around here. If you were using these scan settings that I'm showing you, you'd have caught it somewhere right here. And you could have just caught the pullback. So as soon as it went up like this and pulled back, you could have gotten in right there on that pullback, because your stop loss could have been at the bottom of that pullback. Your entry could have been at the close of this bar, and you could have rode it all the way up. As soon as this red bar right here crosses below that red bar, that would have been your exit. Let me zoom in. If you're still watching this video, that's good, because I already made my point. But if you're still watching, you're going to learn a strategy. So that's good for you. Let me know if you're still watching the video at this point. So your entry is going to be right here at the close. Your stop loss is going to be right there. And your take profit is going to be right there. Why? This is all your profit area right there. Why is all of that your profit area? All of that is your profit area because we haven't even received the lower lows. When we got into this trade, look at this. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. These lows are higher than this low. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Right here is where we received our first lower low. So you could have set right here, as soon as this bar crosses beneath this bar, that's your exit. Because that means the majority of the breakout is over. And that's a really good take profit right there, because come on, you're risking, let's say $200 right there. I mean, that's probably $1,000 just like that from that pullback. So these are my scanning settings, ladies and gentlemen. So it looks like it's actually breaking out again. Look at that. It might stop right there, but still it could be a quick one. Just wait for this bar to pull back to right here. And then if it goes again, you take that going up into this area. Be super careful. Try to look for an exit. Again, over here was the profit. We are late right now, so you can't expect to take much more out of the market. I wouldn't even trade this one right here. It's not such a good setup. But I'm just saying, if you were desperate, you were super late, this is technically a second breakout to the upside. Why not, put a little bit of money to it? Probably not as much money as you put into this one. If you're risking $200 on this one, you probably want to risk $50 on this one. Anyway, that's my settings, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you like this video. Sorry I couldn't get to show you guys what I mean by blowfin, but if I haven't made a blowfin video yet, one is coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop me a like on the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.